We are ready to start. Okay, so we'll continue with open-ended questions. Now, open-ended questions is the section that most students struggle with. They find it very hard to get full marks for this section. All right, so for this section, please pay attention to what are the very important words that you must have for when you answer open-ended questions. All right, just now one of you said you can't hear me. Tristan, can you hear me already? Tristan? All right, Tristan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, good. Okay, so we are good to go. All right, let me get the slides. Okay, now these are the 88 house rules for the newcomers. All right. We have Zara, right? Correct, Zara. So do turn on your camera, and then we'll be using the chat very frequently. So you can use the chat when you have any question to ask, or if you are answering my question. So I'll be checking on everyone's understanding by asking questions. So please reply in the chat. Do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. All right, so just try. All right, there's nothing shameful about giving wrong answer. It's only shameful when you don't even try. Okay, now and then be respectful. If you need to go toilet or get a glass of water, just type into the chat going toilet. Don't need to ask me for permission. Just inform in the chat, and when you're back, just type I'm back. All right, Hao Qian says he's having his weighted assessment. Are you all having weighted assessment? Can you type into the chat? And what are your topics, Hao Qian? All right, so this one, just quick reminder, this is this month's promotion. All right, so sharing is caring. Please do share with your family and friends. So what do you share? You share the handphone number. All right, you share this handphone number and your referral code. So every one of you has your unique special referral code that your parent has received in the SMS. All right, so once you share these two things with your family and friends, they will get to try one free live lesson. And if they choose to subscribe after the free lesson, they can get 25% off. You also get 25% off. So this is only for this month's National Day promotion. So please make full use of it. These are because we have new students, so there are certain things we've gone through, but I'll just go over very fast. All right, this was a mind map from last week. Okay, so we went through this. Do you remember that pencil lead? Can you type in the chat? Can pencil lead conduct electricity? Can pencil lead conduct electricity? All right, thank you, Jia Ping. The rest, thank you, Kai Han. Marisa and Zara, wrong concept, but it's okay, good try. Let me see who else. There's someone also with the so I have Zara, Marisa, take note. Good job, Giselle. Right. If I pronounce your name wrongly, please let me know. Okay, Zara and Marisa, good try, but do take note, pencil lead conducts electricity. It's very interesting. All right. So for Zara and Marisa, all right. So the rest, good job. Okay, so if I have a pencil lead here, now outside is made of wood. You know, the outside of the pencil is made of wood. The inside, the black color one is called pencil lead. But the black color one is the real name is actually graphite.
Graphite.
Yes, it has nothing to do with the lead. If I use the word lead, just one word, lead is a metal. Lead is different from graphite. All right, so although your father and mother, yes.
Lead is also lead. That lead.
Sorry, lead is also the
past tense of lead.
Oh, okay. Lead and then past tense will be led. All right. I lead you to the forest for a hike. Yesterday I led you to the forest for a hike. All right. That's English word lead and led. Lead is present tense. Led, L-E-D is past tense. All right. So anyway, for science, pencil lead got nothing to do with lead. Pencil lead is actually made of graphite. All right, and graphite can conduct electricity. So here I have a battery, I have a light bulb. So the electric current from the battery there's a closed circuit. So current can flow through a closed circuit. So because the black color graphite can conduct electricity, please remember that you need it for set 3, set 4 exam as well. So graphite is very good in conducting electricity. Okay, even though in this case, graphite is a special case. Graphite is a special case. It can conduct electricity. Okay, so these are some things we went through last week, but for this one, I want to test whether you understood last week's lesson on this same slide. All right, this was the slide used last week. Can everybody type? I'm going to give you 1 minute to look through these 4 circuits, and you're going to tell me is your answer A, B, C, or D? So which circuit will bulb H be the brightest? So this one is bulb H, this one is bulb H, this one is bulb H, and this one is bulb H. All right, so I give everybody 1 minute, okay, to look through which bulb H will be the brightest. They want brightest. Okay, good job, Zara. I am a bit concerned, you see. Now please don't spam. Just give me one answer will do. All right, it's not nice to type so many times, and then when I look at the chat at the window, then you'll be, you know, wasting my time to read through, please. Thank you. All right, so Marisa won. H is from which they're asking you here got bulb H, here also got bulb H, here also got H, here also got bulb H. So which bulb H will be the brightest? Is it A, B, C, or D? All right, is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, so that is what the question is asking. So your answer is either A, B, C, or D. Okay, so I have many different answers. All right, I have many different answers. So I would like to say good job, Marisa won. Let me see. Good job, Jia Ping. Good job, Kai Han. Good job, Howie. All right. Then good job, Zara. Hey, the rest of you, you didn't get the right answer, but it's okay. Please pay. Now, even if you get the right answer, please pay attention for this. All right. So last week I was saying that you look at the number of batteries. All right, Giselle, that's not right. That is okay. Good try. Now, how many batteries? Someone unmute yourself. Tell me how many batteries do you see here? How many batteries here? Okay, so I'll write 3 what? U. All right. So here you have 1 battery. I write 1 U. Here I have how many batteries?
2
U. Then here how many batteries?
2
2U. All right. Then after that, you will look for 1 closed circuit. So each bulb is like a child. All right. So bulb is like a child in my story. I put inverted comma. All right. So each bulb I have child. I have 3 children here. All right. I got 3 children here that I'm going to meet. Okay. So Santa Claus come out. So Santa Claus coming out will come up with 3 presents. Each time he comes out with 3 presents because 3U. 3 batteries, so 3 presents. So 3 presents coming out, 3 presents coming out. Then I meet the first child, second child, third child.
got
And
1 unit.
So 1 unit. All right, I must be fair. I cannot give all the 3 units to this child. So each child will get 1 unit of present, 1 unit of present, 1 unit of present. All right, so 1U plus 1U plus 1U give you back 3U. All right, so I'm going to write 1U. So here will be 1U, here will be 1U, here's 1U. All right, so this is 1U of brightness. So I'll just underline it. Let's go to analyze circuit B. So I only have 1 battery, so 1U. Let me analyze maybe this part first, this one. I analyze this circuit first. All right, this circuit. Now, if you look at this is a closed circuit. All right, closed circuit. And how many light bulb is in this how many light bulbs are there in this circuit? Everyone type into the chat, please. How many light bulbs are there in this circuit? This one. In this closed circuit. How many light bulbs? Everybody type in the chat quickly. Thank you. How come got so many light bulbs? Watch, watch my laser pointer. Everybody watch my laser pointer. Closed circuit, the current comes out. All right. And then the current goes back. This is one closed circuit. All right, we analyze 1 closed circuit, 1 at a time. So this is 1 journey. Okay, good. So this is 1 journey. So in this 1 journey, all right, I only see 1 light bulb. Right. So since I have 1 present when I come out, I will give 1 present to this child, and then I go back and I make some more present. Each time I comes out, I must only hold 1 unit of present. Over here, each time you comes up, you come up with 3 units of present. All right, each time you come out, you only come out with 1 unit of present. Then you give 1 present to this child, light bulb is a child. You go back, you make some more present. Then no matter how many present you make, you can only come up with 1 unit of present. All right, so this light bulb will be 1U because this journey only see 1 light bulb. All right, so I'm going to write 1U here, but another closed circuit. Now watch my laser pointer. This is another closed circuit, another journey. So how many light bulbs how many light bulbs do I have in this journey, in this closed circuit? Can you all type into the chat? Okay, good, Zara. How many light bulbs are in this circuit? In this closed circuit? How many light bulbs in this closed circuit? Only Zara giving me the answer. Jiaping, can you look at my laser pointer? How many light bulbs go through my laser pointer? Look at my laser pointer. How many light bulbs? Kai Han wrong. Marissa won. Good job. Jiaping, good job. Giselle, that's wrong. How many light bulbs? Look at my laser pointer. See, one light bulb, two light bulbs. The answer is 2. 1 light bulb, 2 light bulbs.
I
If
thought
you are
you mean
talking
the
about
whole
this
thing.
circuit, I'm not asking for the whole thing. We analyze closed circuit by closed circuit. All right, so let me
Okay.
erase this first. It's okay to get it wrong now, but don't get it wrong again. So I'm going to highlight. So one way is this is the first way. Let me use a highlighter. So this is my first closed circuit. All right, this is one closed circuit, right? And this blue color circuit only got 1 light bulb. So since you get only 1 light bulb, then I will only have 1 U here because I only make 1 child. All right, so this is one blue journey. Now I make another journey. I make a orange journey. Okay, let me use the highlighter, orange journey. So I made another closed circuit. Can you see another closed circuit? Can you see the closed circuit? All right, so this is another closed circuit. So in this closed circuit, how many light bulbs are there in this closed circuit? It's 2, right? So 1 light bulb here, 1 light bulb here. All right, but I come up with 1 present. So can you tell me how many present will this child have? Everybody type in the chat. How many unit of present will this child have? Very good, Hao Qian. The rest, how many present will this child have? Okay, good job, Jia Ping. Good job, Kai Han. Good job, Zara. Hey, please name yourself as your real name. Please don't call yourself Wait. All right, so that is another rule in my class. Thank you very much. If not, Miss Ivy doesn't know who you are lah. Don't test me leh. Thank you very much. Huh? Okay. All right. So because there are in this yellow journey, there are 2 light bulbs. 2 children are meeting. Each light bulb is like 1 child. So 1 child here, 1 child here. I only meet 2 children. And then I come up with 1 present. Each time you come out, you only come up with 1 present because 1 battery, 1 present. If it's 3 batteries, you come up with 3 present. If it's 2 battery, you come up with 2 present. Okay, 2 battery come up with 2 presents. So here I'm only coming up with 1 present. So I'll give half a present to this child, another half a present to this child. So half plus half give me back 1. So I'm going to write that down. So it'll be half U here and half U here. Right, so here the H is half U. All right, let's analyze C now. Okay, C again, I will make a blue circuit. Always make a closed circuit first. Okay, so this is a closed circuit. So can you tell me how many light bulbs in this closed circuit? Everybody type in the chat how many light bulbs in this closed circuit. Thank you, Marissa. The rest. Thank you, Zara. How many light bulbs in this blue circuit? Okay, good job, Kai Han. All right, this one. All right, how many light bulbs in this blue circuit? Good job, Giselle. Good job, Jia Ping. Please don't spam, just type once. All right, unless you really accidentally, send out so many. Okay, good job, Hui Mei. Okay, hang on. I need to admit 1 more person. Okay.
What's that ding dong sound?
Someone admitting into the Zoom room. Okay, I'm trying to mark the attendance. Hang on. Whoever just came in, are you Joanne Cheong?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Let me mark your attendance. Okay. All right, let's start. Okay. So where were we? Okay, we're talking about the blue, this one. Okay. We are talking about this blue closed circuit. So there's 1 closed circuit here. Closed circuit means you come out from 1 end of the battery, you go back to the other end of the battery. All right, so must come out from any end, must go back to the other end. So this is closed circuit. So there's only 1 light bulb, right? So can you tell me how many U? Type into the chat how many U? Tell me this light bulb, how many U? Good job, Jia Ping. The rest, please try so that I can check your